I recently had the chance to try out the 60-volt chainsaw from Sunseeker. Assembly was straightforward and just took a few minutes. Just be sure to put the chain on facing the right direction. Then tighten the chain using the tensioner screw. Add oil, and you're ready to go. This is a simple yet strong chainsaw. There's no frills here, just a trigger and safety guard. Be sure to pull the safety guard back, or the chainsaw won't run. The chainsaw is smooth to operate and cuts well. This saw is lightweight and strong. It cuts through logs 5 inches in diameter, no problem.